Hello everyone, welcome to techpex.com. So the project that we are presenting here today is a hybrid prototype design and switching system for solar and wind energy. So in this we have taken two sources of solar and wind energy, that is the solar panel and the windmill, and this system enables us to switch between either of these sources or to switch to a hybrid mode. So, this is an application of electrical engineering that helps the user in making the best use out of the renewable energy resources. So, here we have a switching circuit that enables us to switch between two different power sources or to the hybrid mode. It also comprises of an LCD that displays the status of which power source is being used and also the LEDs to indicate the same. In addition to that, we have developed a computer application using Python programming language which helps us in monitoring the parameters and their values provided by these solar and wind energy resources remotely on our PCs, and it also enables us to switch between the modes of which power source has to be utilized or both of them have to be utilized at the same time. So here on the screen, it can be seen that there is a graph. So this graph represents the plot of the values that are obtained from the setup, and there are options for choosing the activation of either of the power source or both of them. Now let's have a discussion on the control panel of this project. So here on the control panel, we have used a 20x4 LCD to display the mode or the source that is being utilized currently. Along with that, it will give the output of the parameters that are being obtained. And here is a power button which is used for switching on and off this entire system. And next we have three sockets for displaying the output of the sources. So the first one is for the output from solar source, that is the solar panel. Second one is for the output from the windmill, and third one is for the output from the hybrid mode of this system. So that's all about this control panel. Now we will have a demonstration of the project working. So first of all, we will start with the working of the solar panel. So here you can see that on the screen I have first of all chosen the solar option. Even on the LCD it is being shown select source. So you will notice that as soon as I click on the solar on my PC and here I press start button, so shortly you will see a graph has been plotted. The voltage that is being generated is shown here, and you can see the corresponding LED has started lighting up. This is the output of energy generated from the solar panel. This is the output of the solar panel, and you can see on the screen as well what is being represented on our PC. This is the level of voltage. So currently a constant voltage is being represented on the graph, and even on the LCD you can see the voltage output. So this is constant because constant light is being supplied to the solar panel. If the solar panel is covered with hand or some other object, we will notice the change in the voltage. Now let's try the same. So here I'll cover the solar panel. You can see that the solar panel has been covered and instantly the graph fell. The plotting can be seen, its fluctuation. You can see that as soon as the hand removed, the graph rised instantly. And when it is covered, the graph falls. So this is how the graphical representation is being presented here, and the voltage output can also be seen here. It has decreased significantly. So now we will try switching the mode. You can see that the windmill has been activated, and for moving this here, for the time being we are using hand, or we can move it using by placing it some airy place or under the fan. So you can see that as soon as it starts rotating, the graph starts fluctuating, and the voltage generated is also being displayed on the LCD. So whenever the windmill moves slowly, low voltage is being shown, and corresponding to that the LED is lighting up, displaying the output of the wind source. Now we will change the mode. Here we stop the wind mode, and now we will switch to hybrid mode, that is generating a combined output of both solar and wind energy. So here both solar panel and windmill will work, and you can see that the corresponding LED has lighted up, and on the LCD the source has been updated, and you can see the voltage increasing. So when only solar panel works, it's 5 volts, and when we rotate the windmill, the voltage increases. The output voltage can be seen here. And the corresponding LED is lighting up. You can also see the fluctuation in the graph that is being represented on the screen. So that's all about the working of this project. So this project can serve as a perfect example of electrical engineering. It can also serve as an exemplary project for electronics engineering, as it comprises of ESP32 microcontroller, which is one of the best microcontroller these days because of its features such as inbuilt Bluetooth and Wi-Fi technology. In addition to that, this project is actually very helpful these days in the power plants where we have to combine output of both these renewable energy resources. So this is all about this project. I hope you all liked it. If you have any queries regarding this project or you want to buy it, you can connect us through the link given in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.